end this video because you don't want to watch someone ramble about field marketing for half an hour or 20 minutes. So you came to the right place. I'm going to try to recap it all in 2 minutes. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I've been a field marketer for a decade now, so hopefully I know what I'm talking about. A field marketer is really focused around the customer piece. You're really focused on engaging prospects and customers. You're really doing the face-to-face or doing the virtually face-to-face marketing activities. This could be doing events, trade shows, could be doing hosting your own event, hosting your own webinars or sponsoring other webinars, doing workshops or doing classes. As you can kind of like dig from those activities, they're all pretty face-to-face or at least virtually face-to-face. And so you're really focusing around getting or working with a sales team. You are the support staff of them. You're helping them get in front of the right contacts. If they want to get in front of Nike, well, you work out activities to get them in front of Nike. And a lot of times, field marketers are the marketers that are working in a region outside of a corporate HQ. Just kind of give an example. If your company is based in San Francisco and you're working in, let's say, Singapore, and you're doing the Singapore marketing, well, generally you are in the field, right? And that pretty much, explains the field, meaning you are in the field. You are not in the HQ unless they stick a HQ in Singapore. You're pretty much doing the marketing out in the field, which means you're doing a lot of events and stuff, as I mentioned, activities I mentioned. However, a lot of times you are the generalist marketer in the region, so you are pretty much leading marketing. Generally, you are what you call a CMO in the region because you're pretty much doing most of the marketing. You might not own certain pieces like SEO and SEM, which is generally always owned by the corporate HQ, but you are doing pretty much the rest of the marketing. You're pretty much working with the sales team to get in front of specific prospects which they want. But if you want to take anything away from this video, is the field marketing role is very customer focused. You're engaging the customer for the sales teams or working with them. And so yeah, you get to travel a lot. So if you like that, well, that's a plus for you. So hopefully that's a good 2-minute recap. Leave a like and comment if you want to if you want to learn more about field marketing, and hopefully I'll make more videos on this. And I actually have a day in the life of a field marketing video coming up. So yeah, keep an eye on that one.